Hey there, this is 𝗧𝗏 here, and I have a cool little trick that I thought you would like because I use it all the time and I realize that maybe you don't know about it. It's an easy way to locate things that you're looking for on, let's say, a document that you have. So for instance, for every business that I'm a part of, I create a note document with all the information that I need so I can find it all in one place. But sometimes these documents have a lot of information in here. As you can see, this one has a lot. So if I'm looking for something specific, how do I locate it without having to scroll through the entire document looking for it? So for instance, this is Hyperfund, and I want to locate the video that we have of the owners who did a documentary with Amazon Prime. So how do I do that? How do I find it instantly without having to scroll through the whole document? So the way I'll do that is from my computer's keyboard, I'm going to press and hold Control and then press F. Now you can see this little box pops up. So I'm going to type in Amazon and then I'm going to click on Find Next. Now I know I named this video or this section Amazon Prime. So it's going to locate the keyword throughout this entire document. I'll click on Find and there it is. It's right here. So sometimes it's way down here and you just scroll and you look for the highlighted word that you typed in when you clicked Control, you hold Control and F and type in any word you want. So let's just say I type in presentation and click on Find Next. Here's a keyword that says presentation. Okay, so I hope this helps you when you're locating things in documents and you have trouble finding them. This is just a quick little shortcut. Have a great day.